Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2013 Triumph Speed Triple 1050. This bike in sulfur yellow has just a little over 300 miles on it and is in near mint condition. I'll show you the one scratch I found on it, and then we'll take our walk around it and we'll fire it up. This bike is all stock, so it's just waiting to be customized. Plus, this bike is still considered new because it come to us from another dealer, so it's not had an owner yet. The 332 miles that are on it are demo miles. So it's super hard to see, but you can just kind of make it out right here. There's a little scratch on the tank and it runs around the corner like this. So all I can imagine is somebody who was riding it had a bare zipper or something sticking out that they scratched the tank on this with. But it's really, really tiny and it's really hard to see. You have to get in just the right light to see it. But I did notice it. You know, and with only a little over 300 miles on it, the tires are still brand new too, so. Yeah, and on this side of the tank where you can see it goes, you can't even hardly make it up. It's kind of one continuous one. Like I said, you can barely see it. Show you the miles here. 332 is what's on it. Oh, set the camera down here. This Speed Triple will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. This bike also has a remainder until May of 2018 of the factory warranty on it as well. So thank you for shopping, simplystreetbikes.com.